Hey fam, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Information Network, where we are helping you build your personal credit to then get yourself business credit to take advantage of the bank's products like credit cards that will allow you to travel the world for free using reward points. Also, being able to acquire assets using business lines of credit and also business loans to make sure that you can get assets that will cash flow and help you and your family build wealth. In today's video, I'm going to be diving more into the lender compliance side of things of business credit. In the last videos, we were talking about making sure you have everything from your Secretary of State documents with your EIN information, your business location, meaning having a business address, having 411 set up, and also having a website and a business email. A lot of people get stuck not having a lot of these items in their business name. Don't get stuck having your name at Gmail or your name at Yahoo. Make sure you get yourself a business email, okay? You can go to G Suite and it can go ahead and take care of you. There's a lot of other ways you can actually do it, but get yourself completely compliant in that area. If you want more information on that, go back and look at some of the other videos that we have in the playlist in business credit, where we go over that in detail. All right. So please hit the like and subscribe button so that you can help this channel grow. We are growing very rapidly right now. I'm very appreciative to everybody that's coming by, and I hope you guys really are getting a lot of information that you can actually use to help you grow. And so I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm going to keep trying to pump out all this free information for you, because I know that there's a lot of information that people do not get, and I was one of those people. So I try to give this information from the standpoint of where I was before I had this information. So walk with me, guys. I'm going to show you guys our software. And in our software, it's so beautiful because it goes over every single thing that you're going to need to get your business ready to be able to get the funds that you need and to secure to be able to get you those assets we were talking about. All right. So once again, in today's video, we're going to go over one of the compliance items, and that is getting your business bank account. This is very, very important. A lot of lenders don't even say your business is established until you get your business bank account set up. So that's one of the first things you want to do after you get all those lender items that we talked about before, those compliance items before. Get all those down together, and then the first thing you do is go open yourself up a business bank account. All right. So there's a couple of things I want you to know about when you're opening up your business bank account. What you're going to need when you walk into the bank. You're going to need your articles of incorporation or your operating agreement, depending if you got an LLC or you incorporated the corporation. You're also going to need your EIN letter that has your name, address, and the EIN number on it. You're going to also make sure you have your Secretary of State documented that was stamped of when it was approved. Okay, with that Secretary of State. Those are the three documents that you're going to need. Also walk in with either your passport or your ID. Okay, so with all that information, you will be able to go open up a business bank account at most banks. Now, I will let you know there are some alternative banks that you're going to want to stay away from, because they can actually make it a little more difficult for you to be able to get approved funding in the future. Down here listed below, I have a list of them, and that is going to be Lilly, Blue Vine, Found, Mercury, Oxygen, Novo, Grasshopper, Axos, Relay, Live Oak. These are what we consider to be alternative banks, and you don't want to get these because services like Plaid won't be able to connect. Some of the ACH payments will not draft. E-checks won't be processing with some of these banks. Some of these banks do not report your bank rating. And I'm going to go over your bank rating a little bit later in one of the next videos. And that's very, very important as well. So you don't want to get yourself stuck with one of these banks. Go to a national bank if you can, or your credit union, to go ahead on and get your business bank account set up with the documents that I mentioned. And do that as soon as you possibly can. It's very important. Also, making sure you get yourself a merchant account. Getting yourself a merchant account will also open you up to more funding avenues that you can actually take advantage of as well. Here listed, I have some of the ones here. There's one called charge.com, National Processing, Stripe, and Square. Now, I will go ahead on and list these inside of the description below so that you guys have the link if you choose to want to be able to get one of these, or either just compare compare which one will work best for your business. I will let you know that um, it's very, very important that you don't get yourself stuck in getting merchant cash advance lending. I know a lot of people who have gotten themselves in trouble. Now, by getting these merchant accounts, by showing that you have funds coming in, monthly credit receipts coming in, that will open up some funding for you. So they will actually say, hey, we will actually give you money based on the amount of receipts that you guys have coming into your bank account. And what happens is they take a little bit portion every single month or every single transaction coming off. And a lot of people get themselves really caught up in those MCAs. So I really want you guys to stay away from those unless you absolutely need them to be able to keep your business afloat. Let's go over some other things that I want to be able to talk to you guys about with your business bank account. I personally really like some of the national banks. One of the banks that I like to start my accounts with is Chase. And the reason why I like Chase so much is because they're very startup friendly, meaning if you open up your business Chase account today and you put just a few $1,000s in there, some people don't even have to put hardly any money in them. But opening up your account, if you have a good credit score and you personally guarantee it, people are getting 50,000, 75,000, up to $100,000 credit cards that they can actually use. And it can actually go up to 150. You can get 2 cards at 75,000 in some cases. So it is a huge, huge benefit when you're very first starting to build your business checking account, because you're going to get these cards at 0% interest, some for 12 months. That gives you a huge jump start in your business to be able to get some capital flow going and being able to do some of the things that you want to be able to do, having all that money. Even if you got one business credit card for 25,000, you got another one for 50,000, you can do something called a reallocation. And that is where you take $25,000 and move it over to that other one that had 50,000. Now you have a $75,000 credit card with Chase, just by using and doing that technique. Now, if you do get stuck with a lower amount when you first open, you can then in 2 to 3 months ask for a credit line increase at Chase, and using that credit line increase is absolutely free of getting a hard increase. So that is a soft pull to get a credit line increase through the Chase app after 2 to 3 months of having that business card. So I just want to make sure you guys understand how important it is to being able to establish and get yourself in with the right banking relationship. And then also at the same time, making sure you get that banking relationship started as soon as you get all your documents together. All right. So we're going to go over some more information a little bit later. I want to be able to talk to you guys about bank rating in the next video that we go into. But if you all want a actual link to opening up your business checking account, I can actually help you get some money, because I have a referral link that's going to be in the description to be able to help you out. And if you need help being able to get one of those $50,000, $75,000 credit cards, and you have all your business items together, click the link below and get a hold of me, or comment in the section, get a hold of me, or join our free school group community where you can actually get a hold of me directly. And we will then help you be able to set that up. Also in the description below is our website where you can actually put your business inside of there. And by putting your business inside of there, it will actually show you what items you need to work on under your lender compliance. It will also show you what items you could qualify for funding. And so if that is something that you're interested in, click the link that says the member .dti business management link. That will take you over to our website, and you can actually put your company information in there. It's completely free to be able to do so. We want to make sure we give you guys a lot of value here on the channel. I'm going to also give you the opportunity to join our school group community for free. Right now, for limited spots, we have some free spots available. If you click the link right now, down below in the description, you'll have access to being able to become a member. And in that membership, in that community, we are going to be diving deep into personal credit, business credit, travel hacking, also acquiring assets like single family real estate and commercial real estate in there. There will be a lot of like-minded individuals. We want to be able to keep providing free information to you and a lot of value. And we want to bring everybody together to grow together. So if that sounds like a community that you want to be a part of, I highly recommend that you join. It's absolutely free once again. And we hope to see you on the next video. Please hit the like button, subscribe button, so we can keep boosting this information up to the rest of the people that need to see it and hear it and feel it. We want to help you guys rise. All right. Till the next time, we'll see you. Peace.